let's start unboxing it.
This is how it looks from inside the box, and it is wrapped in black fabric for extra protection, as you can see that. But first I will see what inside the box and keep this aside. We'll see it later. So let's see what are the other things that comes with this beast. So there are instructions that nobody follows. There are more instructions here from ASUS. Here is a power brick, and it is really big in size, and it's bulky too because it has to provide power to this machine. Let's keep that aside and see what's more in the box. There is a power extension cable which connects to the charger. There's nothing more in it. That's it from the box, and box is really cool. I liked it, and that ASUS logos are all over the box, and these are the specs of this laptop. This laptop comes with the screen resolution of 1920 by 180, display 15.6 inches, CPU is i7 7700 HQ 2.8 GHz, and RAM is 16GB DDR4 2400 MHz, and the GPU inside this machine is 6GB Nvidia GTX 1060. Storage is 256GB of SSD, which is NVMe, which is pretty fast, 1TB of hybrid hard drive, SD card slot. Let's keep this box aside for now and see the actual beast. It is beautifully wrapped in this black fabric for the protection, and here it is. It looks fantastic. The build quality of this is just as good as any other laptop we have seen in this price bracket. On the back side you can see these two cooling vents which keeps this laptop cool. Let's open the lid of this laptop. Okay, there you go. This is what ASUS looks like. This laptop is thick, as it is to be expected from the gaming laptop, and the ports are aligned on either side of this device. You get an interesting patterns on the lid which sets it apart from the boring, featureless finishes that we are used to seeing on the gaming laptops.
Touchpad feels nice, but that's pretty good. And you can see the keyboard layout is a little different, for it meant for the gaming purpose. So here is the speaker. I think it's woofer, subwoofer, some type subwoofer. There are function keys here. So if you see on this side, USBs, one of it is 3.0, and here is the C-type lightning USB port, and there is SD card slot. And on this side, if you see this side, and here is a charging port, LAN port, and there are two more USBs here, and one combo mic and headphone jack. On the front there's nothing. You can get this webcam, and there are two mics built into this screen.
So let's turn this thing on. Whoa, as you can see that the keyboard lighting is pretty lit. It's RGB lighting inside and the back side of this laptop panel, and also you can see that it's pretty fast. It just booted up in few seconds. That SSD, that NVMe, which is really fast, and it comes in this laptop. Also this laptop feels pretty premium. Overall looks of it is pretty good. The keyboard amongst the best I have used on the laptop. I especially like the RGB backlight, which is something of ASUS signature now. The trackpad is good, pretty precise. This being a gaming laptop, you are likely to by using it much. Although it's packed with the 1060 GTX, which is good for gaming, and if you want gaming. You can play on max settings on every game on 60 frames per second, although for some games it may be low, but you can still manage to play on medium settings. Although I will make a review on the games of this laptop, and I'll test the FPS and the temperatures of this laptop, so there will be another video for that. Overall, my verdict is in the market, which is flooded with the gaming laptops. The ASUS GL503VM stands out for its excellent build quality and design. This laptop isn't value for money. You can get high version of it, but you have to pay more for that. You can get the 1070 in that laptop, but still it's pretty good in this price range. I would recommend this laptop if you want to buy. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please feel free to ask, and don't forget to watch the next video, which I will make on this laptop, a gaming test. So thank you and bye bye.